and welcome. It's a beautiful morning here in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to your favorite program, Daily Crypto Market Update on your favorite station, CNETv. You know how we do it on this program. We talk about the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, the coins that are topping the list, the coins that are losing, the coins that are gaining at the moment. That's exactly what we talk about on this program. And of course, I'm going to be the anchor of today's program. My name is Maria Oga. Now let's dive straight into the market. Let's see what's happening in the cryptocurrency market so far. Now we get our statistics from CoinGecko. That's exactly where we get our statistics from. And as our last night, as at yesterday, the cryptocurrency market, we just kept seeing red. That's what we kept seeing in the cryptocurrency market as at yesterday. But today we hope that we see a better situation in the cryptocurrency market. Now, the global cryptocurrency market cap today is $2.17 trillion. That's the global cryptocurrency market cap today, $2.17 trillion. That's the global cryptocurrency market cap today. And the percentage is 3.0%, 3.0% change in the last 24 hours. That's the percentage change, 3.0% change in the last 24 hours. I'm already seeing a green, so that's to say that the market is looking better than yesterday compared to yesterday. Yesterday I was heartbroken actually. Then the total cryptocurrency trading volume in the last day is $182 billion. That's the trading in the last 24 hours. $182 billion. That's the trading in the last 24 hours. And the dominance, Bitcoin is dominating at 39.90%. That's what Bitcoin is dominating as, 39.90%. And the next coin dominating is Ethereum. Ethereum is dominating at 18.1%. That's what Ethereum is dominating at, 18.1%. Now, according to CoinGecko, cryptocurrency is actually the total number of cryptocurrency it is tracking at the moment is 9,341 cryptocurrency. That's what it is tracking at the moment. 9,341 cryptocurrency. That's exactly what it is tracking at the moment. Those speculations have it that we have over 10,000, over 11,000 cryptocurrency. That's over 11,000 coins. But at the moment, we have 9,331 cryptocurrency, according to CoinGecko. Now, let's dive in straight into the topic, the popular coins, the coins topping the list, the coin topping the chart. So the first coin we have here is Bitcoin. That's the first coin we have here. Bitcoin is the first coin we have here. And the price for Bitcoin is $45,992. That's the price for Bitcoin, $45,992. And then there's been a percentage change of 2.8%, and that's green. So it's picking up 2.8%. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has sold for as low as $43,667. That's how low it has sold. And it has sold for as high as $47,444. That's how high it has sold in the last 24 hours. Now, moving on from Bitcoin, the second coin on the list is Ethereum. And the price for Ethereum is $3,338. $3,338. That's the current price for Ethereum. And the percentage change is 2.9%. That's the percentage change, 2.9%. And in the last 24 hours, Ethereum has sold for as low as $3,146. That's how low it has sold. And it has sold for as high as $3,443. That's how high it has sold in the last 24 hours. Now moving on from Ethereum, the third coin we have here is Cardano. That's the third coin we have here. And the price for Cardano is $2.40. As the price for Cardano, $2.40. And the percentage change is static, just 0.0% change in the last 24 hours. So that's basically no change or little change. Then in the last 24 hours, it has sold for as low as $2.34. That's how low it has sold, $2.34. And it has sold for as high as $2.56. That's how high it has sold in the last 24 hours. Now moving on to the fourth coin, Tether. That's a stable coin. Tether has been on the list since Saturday, Friday, Thursday, last week basically. Tether has been the fourth on the list, replacing Binance Coin. But Binance Coin is now the fifth on the list. And looking at Binance Coin, the price for Binance Coin is $404. That's the price for Binance Coin, $404. And the percentage change is 2.1%. Now in the last 24 hours, Binance has sold for as low as $3,086. $386, I beg your pardon. $386, and it has sold for as high as $418. That's how high it has sold in the last 24 hours. Now the last coin we're going to be looking at, which is the sixth coin on the chart, is SRP, which is Ripple. And the price for SRP is $1.08. That's the price for SRP, $1.08. The percentage change in the last 24 hours is 2.1%. Now in the last 24 hours, SRP has sold for $1.03 and as high as $1.13. That's how high it has sold. But currently the price is $1.08. Now before moving on to the top gainers and top losers of the program, we're going to go on a very short break. Then when we come back, we're going to go straight into the top gainers and top losers. Please stay with us. Welcome back. If you're just joining us, you're watching Daily Crypto Market Updates on your favorite station, CNETv. Now, we've looked at the top coins according to CoinGecko, the coins that are actually most popular, dominating, and most people actually invest in those particular coins. Now, moving on from there, we're going to the large movers, the largest gainers and losers in the cryptocurrency space. Like I would say, in life generally, we have times when we lose and we have times when we win. And it's the same thing in the cryptocurrency market because of the volatility. So at the point we have top gainers, the same people can actually be top losers the next day. But we're going to kickstart with the top gainers. That's the first set of people we're going to be looking at. Those are the first set of coins we're going to be looking at today. The first top gainer is GameFi. That's the first top gainer. And the ticker is GAFI. The volume is $2,338,000. That's the volume for GameFi, and the price is $38.68. That's the price, and in the last 24 hours, it has gained 9,912,280%. That's how much it has gained in the last 24 hours. The second top gainer is Mayobo. That's the second top gainer, Mayobo, and the ticker is Mayobo. The volume is $217,000. That's the volume, and the price is 0.000299. That is way below a cent. The percentage it has gained in the last 24 hours is 5,660.7%. The third coin is Bitcoin God. That's the third top gainer, Bitcoin God with the ticker God. Bitcoin God with the ticker God, and the volume is over $1 million. The price for Bitcoin God is $8.29. That's the price for Bitcoin God, $8.29. And in the last 24 hours, it has gained 1,468.5%. The fourth top gainer is Shiba Floki with the ticker Floki. Shiba Floki with the ticker Floki. The volume is $4,596,000. That's the volume. The price is way below a cent, and in the last 24 hours, it has gained 876.6%. The fifth and last top gainer we're going to be looking at today is Publish with the ticker News. Publish with the ticker News, and the volume is $178,000. The price is 0.01 cent, and the percentage that's gained in the last 24 hours is 731.0%. That is what it has gained in the last 24 hours. Now, moving on from the top gainer, we're going straight into the other side of the table, which are those people that are actually losing, the top losers in the cryptocurrency space. That's exactly what we're going to be looking at now. The first top loser we have here is Xenon Pay. That's the first top loser we have here, Xenon Pay with the ticker X2P. Xenon Pay with the ticker X2P. The volume is $114,000. The price is way below a cent, and it has lost over 95.3% in the last 24 hours. Then the second top loser is Bank Social with the ticker B Social. Bank Social market volume is $143,000. The price is way below a cent, and it has lost over 84.4%. The third top loser is Morphe's token with the ticker Morph, and the market volume is $430,000. The price is $2.78. That's the price for Morphe token, and the percentage is minus 74.2%. Minus 74.2%. The fourth is GrowingFi. GrowingFi is the fourth with the ticker Grow, and the market volume is $67,000. The price for GrowingFi is $3.15. The percentage in the last 24 hours is minus 72.1%. That's the percentage in the last 24 hours. Now, the fifth top loser and the last top loser we're going to be looking at today is Odem with the ticker Ode. Odem with the ticker Ode, and the market volume is $60,000. The price is 0.01 cent. The percentage is minus 52.8%. Minus 52.8%. Now, let me go over the names again so you don't mix them up. In the top gainer, we have GameFi as the number 1. We have MUB as the number 2. We have Bitcoin God as number 3. We have Shiba Floki as number 4. And we have Publish as number 5. Now, on the top loser, we have Xenon Pay as number 1. We have Bank Social as number 2. We have Morphe's token as number 3. We have GrowingFi as number 4. This is exactly why I went over it again. GameFi is the number 1 on the top gainer, while GrowingFi, they are two different, is the number 4 on the top loser. And then we have Odem as the number 5 on the top loser. So this is exactly where we draw the curtain on today's edition of Daily Crypto Market Update. To get more information on how the cryptocurrency market is faring, you just have to follow us on our social media handles at CNETv1, cut across all social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and the likes. And then you download our app for more amazing programs from the station. Just go to your Google Play Store or App Store to download our app. 12 p.m. West African time, top of the hour. So just stay tuned because that's like a few minutes from now. 12 p.m. West African time, we'll be having top of the hour. Thank you so much for joining us today. I am Maria Oga. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency and fintech TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store or on our website at CNETv.io. CNETv, objectivity is our watchword. Good day and welcome to CNETv News. My name is Emmanuel Oluwafemi Ogundele. Our top stories. Tafari Capital set to make $5 million round available for equity purchase. As Decagon closes $1.5 million seed equity round. The news shortly. The news in detail. Tafari Capital, a South Africa-based digital finance and e-commerce platform, Tafari Capital, situated in Johannesburg, says it will make 5 million shares available for interested parties to buy equity at a minimum price of R4 per share. According to a statement, the proceeds of the capital raised will primarily be used to mobilize plans to officially launch Tafari Capital's flagship Ichankura platform, which it says will be Africa's first fully integrated finance and e-commerce platform. The web and app-based platform, however, seeks to address the needs of African consumers, entrepreneurs, and businesses by providing transactional accounts to the unbanked and other banks and providing subsistence entrepreneurs with access to markets. Meanwhile, Ichankura is a product of Tafari Financial Services, an authorized financial service provider and registered juristic representative of the financial body. However, the data platform, which was first announced in July, will therefore enable SMEs and individuals to sell products and services to consumers while being able to accept payment through its bank-level feature called Tafari Pay. The mobile telecommunication giant MTN has announced a mobile money partnership with Africa's leading payment technology company, Flutterwave. In a statement over the weekend, MTN said the partnership will allow businesses integrating Flutterwave in Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Rwanda, Uganda, and Zambia to receive payment via MTN mobile money Momo. It will be recalled that MTN Momo is a fintech platform providing consumers and businesses with an electronic wallet enabling electronic transfers and payments, as well as access to digital and financial services in the country. MTN therefore said at the end of June 2021, MTN Momo had 48.9 million active users and 581,514 merchants, adding that Momo enables businesses to accept and make payment within the mobile money ecosystem Momo. Meanwhile, this new partnership will enable Flutterwave to offer MTN mobile money as a payment method to its business customers in that region. However, commenting on the partnership, Sarah Jane DeHome, MTN Group Chief Digital and FinTech Officer, said in the company's quest to progress and become the largest fintech platform in Africa, it will empower millions of businesses to embrace e-commerce in the market to accept digital payments from Momo consumers and thereabouts. Now moving on now, InterSwitch, a leading technology-driven company focused on the digitization of payment in Africa, has announced a new strategic partnership with Code-Based Technologies, CBT. Code-Based Technology, Digibank, SaaS, and InterSwitch are partnering in digital banking offering, and together the partnership will help broaden access to financial services for Africans, driving greater financial inclusion across the continent as a whole. Digibank SaaS, hosted by InterSwitch, says it will enable financial institutions in West and East Africa with full front-to-back SaaS capabilities through a rapid and cost-effective debt employment model, allowing true economics of scale. It added that working with the Code-Based Technologies team will help InterSwitch to broaden its current digital offering, while leveraging InterSwitch's brand recognition to increase the reach and visibility of Digibank SaaS in Africa. However, Code-Based Technologies Commercial Director and Africa MD Paul Nielsen stated that the company looks forward to working with InterSwitch Group and launching this new cutting-edge technology in the ecosystem. Meanwhile, you're watching news from CNETv. We will go on a break now. When we return, Decagon closes $1.5 million seed equity round. Please join us again. Welcome back now to the rest of the bulletin. Decagon, a tech startup which combines lending, training, and job placement to help exceptional people launch careers as software engineers, has closed a $1.5 million seed equity round from early stage VCs, as well as a $25 million student loan financing facility from Sterling Bank in Nigeria. Operating at the intersection of fintech, edtech, and the future of work, Decagon attracted investment from early stage investors, including Kepi Africa Ventures, Timon Capital, as well as angel investors like Paul Kokoricha, managing partner of the private equity business of Nigeria's largest PE firm, ECA, and Tokyo-based United Incorporated, with themselves runs a tech training businesses in Japan. In a speech, Nwobi, the founder of Decagon, said the company aims to address the underrepresentation of black people in tech globally, starting in Nigeria, the most populous black nation in the world, where youth unemployment is about 50%. He added that funding for local startups is growing massively, but companies now face a shortfall of skilled tech talent as US, Germany, and UK-based companies are also looking for the best talent from all over the world, but often need help accessing Africa's best talent. Microsoft, Facebook, and Google have all visited and invested in building engineering offices in Nigeria, but most other companies can't afford to do that, so we help them to do these jobs. Meanwhile, Decagon created Nigeria's first ever merit-based student loans in partnership with Sterling Bank and the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, and this has enabled Decagon to offer a pay-after-learning PAL plan, which provides trainees with laptops, accommodations, internet, real allowance, and a sustenance stipend without any upfront payment for these people. Moving on now, according to the new market research report, Artificial Intelligence Global Market Report 2021, COVID-19 growth and change published by the business research company says the artificial intelligence market is expected to grow from $40.17 billion in 2020 to $51.56 billion in 2021 at a compound annual growth rate of 28.4%. The growth is mainly due to the companies resuming their operations and adapting to the new normal while recovering from the COVID-19 impact, which had earlier led to restrictive entertainment measures involving social distancing, remote working, and the closure of commercial activities that resulted in operational challenges in the continent and the world in general. Meanwhile, the market is expected to reach $171.02 billion in 2025 at a CAGR of 35%, and the rise in investment in AI technologies is due to its advantages in every sector as they are driving the market for the artificial intelligence. It's very crucial. However, the artificial intelligence market consists of sales of the artificial intelligence software and related services, which sometimes it is referred to as machine intelligence. And lastly, on news this moment, a 2020 report on insurance fraud by FRISS, which develops artificial intelligence powered fraud detection software for insurers globally, states that the COVID-19 pandemic forced nearly two-thirds of all insurance organizations to focus more on digitization to detect fraud more easily. It further said almost half had a focus on reducing costs, and about 30% actively increased their fraud checks. Drawing on data collected over several years and its analysis, the OLAD Loss Verification Division has managed to reduce its false positive fraud triggered rate or motor claims from 16% to 6% per year, added in its report. It added that the machine learning helps to eliminate even more false positives, and robotics is used for mundane tasks such as extracting moderate reports for claim adjusters to review. It, however, said this frees up more time for them to validate losses, adding that prosecution is important, as well as sharing and circulation of information about fraudsters among different insurers. And that story concludes CNETv News for this moment. But before we go, a quick recap of our top stories. So, Africa-based digital finance and e-commerce platform Tafari Capital, situated in Johannesburg, said it would take and make 5 million shares available for interested parties to buy equity at minimum price of R4 per share. And you heard that Decagon, a tech startup which combined lending, training, and job placement to help exceptional people launch careers as software engineers, closed a $1.5 million seed equity round from early stage VCs, as well as $25 million student loan financing facility from Sterling Bank in Nigeria. Meanwhile, for more amazing content from this station, you can download our TV application from your Google Play Store or your iOS. It is CNETv. And of course, you can visit our social media handles on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at CNETv1. That's what you can take. Join us at 2 p.m. West African time for Crypto Daily. My name is Emmanuel Ogundele. Enjoy the rest of today and bye for now. CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency, and FinTech TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews, and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store or on our website at cnetv.io. CNETv, objectivity is our watchword. Ecosystem is saturated with a lot of trending stories and events, from blockchain to fintech and even cryptocurrency. However, there is the need to get viewers updated on the happenings in the ecosystem. So join us on this platform for crypto updates, Mondays to Saturdays by 2 p.m. West African time on CNETv, to get analysis as regards trending stories from several media outfits, from Cointelegraph to Coins Extra, Crypto Globe, and more. Crypto Daily, the program depicting the ecosystem.